Just real quick, I'll mention how to set your own shortcuts. It's very easy. So if you right click on any of these toolbar buttons and click customize and click the keyboard tab, this is the entire list of your commands available for shortcuts, which is most of the commands but not all. Search for, and so for example, customize, this window is customize, so we'll add a shortcut for customize. So my shortcut is Control-Alt-Shift-C, and so basically if I deleted that, so now if I just say Control-Alt-Shift-C, it will add it. If I said L, it would say, are you sure? Because L is already line, and so I say no. But so this would really say Control-Alt-Shift-C and hit OK. And so now when I hit Control-Alt-Shift-C, Alt-Shift-C, customize comes up. Click keyboard, and so now, for example, so let's say if I type Control into the search window, you can see show spline control points. Close enough. Is Control-Shift-P,